You think is it doable, Actor?
Oh yeah, I've just got to get these young guys to lift it up off of here. Okay, go ahead. And I'm filming for training purposes. There you go. Yeah, get that mag. There's a grip that we can get a handle on in the back. You feel that? There's like a space.
Yeah, I got one back here
Let's
too.
go straight up. Rest it. So we got to unplug it somehow. Where's the plug? I see the plug. Hold on, move a little further.
I got it. Just
Lean
give
it
it to me
towards
and
you a
I'll
little
hold
bit. This is going to be not fun putting back together because I see what's going on. There's we got to turn the water off. It's a steam unit, so we got to turn the water off and disconnect the steam hose. Okay, take it off and put it over here. You got it, Ryan? Bend at the knees.
It's just really.
It's coming out though, right?
Oh, yep.
Gotcha. Okay, make sure you don't lose your hardware, okay? Okay, and then get it out of the way where no one can get hurt.
No, I can just about.
Good job. Press the button. There you go. Okay.
These are the 4. These are the 3.
They're gonna be longer. Typically they're longer. Okay, your finger in there. Good, good. That's it. And once you have that off, you can remove the front of the machine.
Want to reattach it and then film it taking you off?
Up and then out. And then lift that tail up. Okay. And put that down somewhere safe where it won't fall. Okay. It's like trying to get a condom off. Those are good snips. So yeah, there you go.
There we go.
Okay, I'll pull the tubes out. They have so gross.
Might help as well as
Yeah.
pull down.
There you go. Okay. Don't take it all the way out. Just undo it and then loosen them all before you take it out. Good job. And this concrete, you can't drop it. So just keep it low to the ground and move it onto the carpet. Because if you break the concrete, then we don't have a counterbalance. Okay.
Okay, they're all loosened.
You take it?
Yep. Oh, it's heavy.
Yeah.
Do you want to get us that one?
Yeah. Now ride it out. Pop right out. You need a screwdriver to fit. There you go. Okay, there she blows. Put it right in the box.
So quickly, it's quite chunky.
Yeah. Point this out and peel that back.
I can get the notch on. I'm having problems after that actually.
Yeah, so you gotta do it like 1 inch at a time. Don't do too big of a section at once. There you go. See that?
Yeah.
There it goes. That's it.
I still have to hold it.
Yeah, you won't have to hold it like that until we put the spring on. It should stay on pretty well.
Come on.
It holds itself over that lip.
And I ordered a new one, and it came online, and it ended up in the Bahamas, and the gasket was too big, and it was too long. It was the right shape.
And it was the right part number and everything.
This boot, we had 2 Yanmar engines.
Same thing.
Yeah, this was down in the BVI's actually, both of them were too large, and I picked them up from a dealership locally. I didn't order them. And I walked back and I told them, like, hey, these don't fit. And they're like, well, you ordered the wrong part number. We're not giving you a refund. I was like, no, I ordered the right part number. So we're in this whole 30-minute, you know, argument. And then eventually they gave me a refund for the parts, but it's like, why?
And then lock it down with a clamp.
Grip strength. Cool.
Okay. Okay, yeah, so you're stretching it while keeping it in the groove, yeah. Mm-hmm. Get a clamp on it there. Is it stretched? Yeah, there you go.
Is that where it
Get a
should be?
clamp on it, yep. Yep. Put that clamp down. There, okay. Now, you're gonna try to go this way across over to here while getting it in. Be careful. You pull it this way, so because you want to keep it in the groove, right? You want to keep it up in the top groove too, right?
Okay.
So don't just pull straight down on it, because then you'll just come flopping and someone will come flying and hit you in the face. Okay. Try working it this way, around this way.
That would be easy.
Try doing that.
Somebody in the hydrofoiling board out there.
Is there sweet? Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, maybe you want to clamp it right there.
Yes, I think I do.
Okay, there you go. Now keep working it.
Okay,
Work your way around. There you go. Good job. Take it easy. You're doing great, Ryan, here. Yeah, laddie. Now you're talking. Put your back into it. Good job.
That's in. That's in.
Is it?
We're so close. Don't slip.
Okay.
See how far your left hand is coming over the board too?
See over here? There it goes. Oh, you're so close. Come out of there.
I got
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Nice.
That's great.
Give it a good tug. Okay, tug all around. Okay, give it a visual inspection. Make sure everything's tucked in. All the way around, 360 degrees. It has tabs that line up. Okay, so study it first. You see there's tabs that are going to line up top to bottom. You
I
see
see.
how it fits into there? Now, sometimes you'll get these things and they won't have any hoses going into them on the top or a light.
Just the door seal and the hoses are behind it.
The things will be there, but they'll be plugged up. And it's different features on different models.
Yeah, that they'll be able to keep the same door seal number.
Get those in really deep, and then we'll put zip ties on them whenever you get them in deep enough. Give it a little
I
twist.
think
it'll
it's
help.
deep. I can't.
How deep is it?
Decently deep.
Yeah, you're good. It should be
That is good. This one should be good.
Is it all the way to where it was? Yeah.
That one's
sure
good
it
as a
was.
lip.
Yeah. And make sure it's around not too low where you're not getting the hose. It has to be on the hose section. You can really crank it tight.
You can see the ghost of the old zip tie that was on there. Just
Oh,
put it
you
in the
can,
same
good.
place.
Okay. And then snip it. Or you can put them both on. Go ahead.
I'm gonna
Or however
put
you
both
want.
on
Sorry,
first.
I'm micromanaging.
No, you're good. I appreciate it. There.
Okay, so you want to snip it as close as you can to the locking mechanism so there's no sharp pieces of...
7/16 or 11.
That's it. There you go. Give it a little hand turn.
same amount of force you use to take it off is the same amount you'll tighten it to.
Yeah, you don't want it too tight. But you want it tight so it's not rattling around, that's for sure. Pretty good.
Plugging the wire.
Just don't rip the wires off if you,
I won't.
that goes through that hole there. It goes through the hole.
Oh, it goes through
Yeah,
the hole?
yeah.
I'll plug that in later though.
So you have to, it has to be lined up left to right. So if I always do this from my knees. You see how it's
Oh, I see.
You see there's one on the top and the bottom. That's it. Yeah, and then push it forward and it drops down. So lift it up, forward, and then down.
Something in the way?
Possibly the
Oh,
gasket.
this guy's in the way. I see it. It's this plastic.
Oh, the plastic's in the way? Okay. Move that out of the way. Nice, good sound effect there. Don't over tighten those because it's plastic. Okay, don't over tighten it, it's plastic. Now the three top ones. You can put that back in. Okay, don't forget your door switch there.
Door switch. You're we just left this and didn't put it in.
There you go.
A little bit more. Okay.
Some of these, the spring clamp will go right on with a needle nose, but typically not. Here's like a spring clamp tool, and I lost mine. Just ordered another one.
I
Keep
just
coming
realized I'm
today.
going the wrong direction.
Realized I need one, so we were calling this job, you know.
Yeah.
That's a question.
Yeah, so looking at the session, which I was looking at my house versus versus but looking at where you know my age was so bad. I had the idea that I put like property city and it was like
Yes.
yeah, I was looking at renting. I was like renting. I was like $15 a month. Just so my sister, I'm staying with her, paying rent. You know, she's giving me a decent enough price as her little brother. It's just all so. Sebastian, there's a lot of fairly priced houses, but that's because there's not a lot going on in Sebastian.
Let's get around and take your needle nose here and try to get a grip on the one eye and just stretch it.
Down here, fishing's better down here, diving's better. So I'd love to
Surfing's
look
better.
closer, even somewhere in Fort Pierce. Just it's all so bad for price. There's nothing that looks good.
Parkway people.
Yeah, my father used to live down there when he was my age.
Okay,
I mean,
good.
it's